Welcome to the Wolver channel, your passport to crypto legendom. Get geared up and transform your crypto ambitions into an awe-inspiring reality. Say goodbye to playing small and dive headfirst into our foolproof guide on minting tokens with sheer determination and finesse. In just a few minutes, we'll reveal the secrets of deploying your own token on any blockchain. No experience necessary, no excuses accepted. Follow these steps like they're your treasure map to greatness, and let's craft crypto magic together right this instant. Step 1. Remixeth, the lightning strike to your quest. Fire up your browser and jet straight to remix.eth. This is where your crypto odyssey kicks off. Step 2. Fabricate your token file, the very foundation of your domain. Forge a fresh file and christen it something potent like, quote, mytoken.sol. That .sol nomenclature is your golden ticket to the crypto realm. Step 3. Insert your contract code blueprint for victorious runs. Not sporting a contract yet? No worries. Ping me on Telegram. Links provided. And I'll send you a tried and tested contract made just for you. Step 4. Assemble your masterpiece. Turning nourished ideas into myths. Stroll over to the Solidity Compiler tab, make your pick for the fitting edition, and hit compile. Feast your eyes on that vivacious green. You're cruising down the highway to success. Step 5. Give your token life on the blockchain, bringing your vision to life. Hook up your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other, and decide on your network. Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. Choose where your heart leads you. Tweak that gas fee to an ideal level and way. Fill in those crucial token details. Craft a name as bold and unforgettable as your aspirations. Settle the fate of your token with the total supply. Design a symbol that packs serious punch. Press deploy and let's forge crypto lore together. Final step, own your creator. Cred, you're the maestro of Token Universe. Got hold of that contract address? Add the token to your wallet. You're now the architect of your own cryptocurrency empire. If these vibes hit home, hit that heart button to charge the Wolver channel's zeal. Subscribe for more electrifying insights and strategies leading you to triumph. Turn on notifications so you never miss a groundbreaking scoop from our end. Need the code? Let's get down to business. Reach out pronto on Telegram, links supplied, and snatch that smart contract code into your hands, ready for action. Your moment is here. Carve your destiny today. Dream bigger than ever. The crypto frontier awaits for you to conquer it.